friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you behind the scenes at what I am packing for my girls trip this weekend to New York City. We have so many exciting things planned. I'm going to show you everything I'm packing for my New York City trip. The bag I'm taking with me for my New York City trip is from Béis. This is their carry-on bag. It's their hard shell luggage. It's the carry-on approved size, which means it is 21 inches. It's in this really nice nude beige color, and I am going to stuff it with as much clothing and makeup as possible. For New York City, I have a really great puffer jacket that I just bought from Abercrombie. Here is the awesome tan puffer jacket that I just got from Abercrombie. I actually shared it in my Abercrombie & Fitch winter try-on haul. I'm so excited to take this with me. I think it's definitely going to be something that keeps me nice and cozy in New York. Also, the neutral brown color is very versatile. I plan on wearing this with some like white tops underneath, a few dark brown bodysuits. I just got a huge shipment in from Amazon, and I'm going to do a Amazon winter fashion haul when I get back from my trip. But until then, I am going to take a couple of Amazon pieces with me to style in New York City. And one of them is this really cute pink sweater. I did size up to a large for this. It has some sweet little baubles on the front, and it's a really great quality. This one had awesome reviews on Amazon, and I love the girly pink color. For one of our days, we are going to see a Broadway play, and for Broadway, you definitely want to be a little bit more dressed up. That's why I am taking this gorgeous emerald green sweater dress with me to New York. It is from Abercrombie. It's got long sleeves and a ribbing material. I will insert clips of me wearing this sweater dress. I do have a couple of great basics I'm taking with me to New York City, like this Walmart turtleneck. This was really inexpensive, and it's from Time & Tru in my size medium. Also got one of my favorite bodysuits from Sofia Vergara. I will be taking this one with me. It's just a classic nude bodysuit. Let's move on to shoes. I feel like packing for the winter, shoes can be really difficult. I just pulled out these little gray like snow booties that I found tucked away in my closet from last year. I never went anywhere on vacation during the winter, so this will be my first time wearing these. I'm really excited to give them a go. They have memory foam and a really nice Sherpa design on the outside that make them super trendy. Another pair of great walking shoes that I'm planning on packing are these Veja sneakers. They are such a great neutral. I feel like they also will go with whatever I have on, and sneakers have become such a staple. Sneakers look great with dresses, they look great with jeans and a nice long coat. So I feel like bringing these is a really smart move, and they will be easy to walk in. I found this really nice Sherpa shacket at H&M, and it was under 50 bucks in my size. I love the like gray white tone to it, and it is a really great quality for such a low price. Cannot wait to be walking around New York City with this super trendy shacket. I was in Cotton On just looking to see if I could find any accessories like bags or scarves, and I did find a nice thick scarf from Cotton On that was actually on sale. So this was under 10 bucks, and look how cozy it's going to be. I'm definitely thinking about wearing it like this, cover up my neck, keep me nice and toasty. And it's a great neutral color. making it a scarf that I can hold on to for years to come. As for makeup products that I'm bringing with me on my trip, I want to share what I received from Merit, a clean beauty brand. They sent me their little signature holiday bag that is this nice black velvet little satchel here. And inside I have their foundation brush. Here is what I'm bringing for my eyebrows. This is in the shade brown. It's a really elegant looking eyebrow gel. Next is a highlighter stick that is super creamy. I will definitely be wearing this every day that we are in New York City because we'll be taking some photos and I want to have a little bit of extra glow to my face. Here is their signature mascara. I love the packaging of everything. I got their foundation in the shade Bone to match with my skin tone. I already have one of their lip oils, but I decided to pick up another one from Merit in the color Marrakesh. It is so hydrating, especially for going up north where it's going to be drier conditions. I didn't want to bring any sort of overly drying matte lip products, so I will be bringing this comfy lip oil to keep my lips nice and hydrated. And if you go down below in the description box, I'm going to have this entire holiday signature bag linked down below for you to check out. And thank you, Merit, for gifting me these makeup products to take with me to New York City. I'm putting my suitcase together, so I'm putting clothes on this side. I've got my accessories, this cute little beanie and headscarf. Here are my little travel sized shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and face wash. I have my matching little base makeup bag here. I'm still filling this up. I have my sunscreen, Texture Tonic spray from Aveda. This is really great for making my hair look thick. And then my native deodorant. Of course, I have to have a good solid moisturizer from IT Cosmetics and hair tie. Everything is coming along. I have some more little sweaters that I stuck in here. I'm filling up these little cubbies. My makeup, some fleece leggings, another little Amazon sweater. Look how much this carry-on suitcase can hold. I'm very impressed. I thought I might have to get another bag, but so far so good. I can lock everything in.